Hey everybody, thank you for joining me today. So today's video is going to be our Friday sketch number 280, and it's basically sponsored by My Little Scrapbook Store because we're once again using a card kit that we got from the store there. And you can go onto the web to get the kit, or you can actually get the app and purchase straight from the app as well. Now, with these card bases, a lot of them are already pre-done. And I was thinking that I would put the rub on like a separate piece of white. But because of the color, I think the You Are Loved is going to still stand out better than if I put it on white paper. Even though you could rub them right on to another piece and then add it sort of like a die cut, you know what I mean? But we're just going to go ahead and just rub it straight to these little color blocked areas. And you just want to peel it back slowly, because if you see any bits or pieces that it didn't get rubbed, you can just lay it right back down and rub it with your tool really quickly. Now, because behind the You Are Loved, there's a little bit of pink, I just grabbed a couple of pink hearts, and we're just gonna float one up above and one on the bottom left, just to add to the look on the front of the card. So cute. Sorry about this. I was just trying to check something real quick. I'm using Nuvo Drops to add a little bit of an accent to the front of the card, and I'm changing it up in that I'm not doing it in my normal 3 in a row. I just did 5, and I just put them around the hearts, and I was thinking of it more like a gem or a sequin type of an accent, so that's why I did it that way. And I'm just tapping, trying to get the Nuvo Drops to kind of flatten out some. And then that is our card front. Super cute and easy. And I think that's one of the things I love most about some of these card kits. If you're someone who wants to get into making cards, they're not a bad deal. They really aren't. This one comes with envelopes, and they're pretty envelopes. They're not just plain white ones. They match the cards themselves. So it's like a nice complete set when you finished. And then I have cut off one of the butterflies to put on the flap for the envelope. And you could put it on the front. You could put it next to where you're going to put your return address. I mean, really, the sky's the limit. You could use a lot of the rub-ons right on the front of the envelopes, depending on if you're going to hand deliver or if you're, trying to mail it out. And I grabbed my bone folder, not even thinking, but it rubbed. I just grabbed the other tool just in case, because it's a little bit more, it's not as sharp as the pink one. All right, and then there is our butterfly. So this is the card I did off camera. I stamped Hello Sunshine. We got our butterfly on the back, and I did the 3 drops going down the upper right side. So there we go. We got the card and envelope, and I'm just trying to be careful because the Nuvo Drops are still wet at this point, and I didn't want to smear them because I've done that before. All right, you guys. So here are the close-ups. Thank you so much for joining me today. Please make sure you hit the like, subscribe, and share button. And links to the card kit, My Little Scrapbook Store, will be down below. And if it's your first time shopping with My Little Scrapbook Store, you can use my promo code, which is down in the More section, to get 10% off. And I want to say it's TREF, so it's like TEREF, but I have it saved down in the More section, so you guys can find that. And I will look forward to seeing you with our next video. Have a great weekend.